Japan's biggest car show served up a jaw-dropping lineup of concept rides that range from tiny city zappers to six-wheeled luxury monsters, proving that Japanese automakers are not just thinking about cars, they're redefining the entire future of transport. Hey GAD Insiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. Let's start things with Honda's Super One prototype. It's a pint-sized EV city car that looks ready to terrorize traffic in all the right ways. Built on Honda's key car platform, it's compact but sporty with flared arches, a cheeky rear spoiler, and a boost mode. And that gives a 7-speed manual gearbox. It'll launch in Japan next year. Meanwhile, Lexus went ultra-luxe with its LS concept, a 6-wheeled electric sedan that screams first-class comfort. It has got bamboo panels, ambient lighting, and swooping electric doors make you feel like royalty, while the car's design can influence Lexus' next luxury models. Toyota also unveiled the Century GT Coupe concept, a gargantuan SUV coupe hybrid for its new high-end Century brand. With Japanese craftsmanship, this is Toyota's answer to Rolls-Royce and Bentley for a new era of automotive luxury. Honda's also gave Outlier motorcycle concept teasing a glimpse of 2030. It features low-slung cyberpunk styling and in-wheel motors for insane power, while Mazda showed the Vision X-Coupe, a rotary electric hybrid producing 510 HP and capable of a 500-mile range. From mini EVs to 6-wheeled sedans and speed demons, this year's show proves Japanese automakers aren't just keeping pace, they're challenging the world to catch up. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GAD Insider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.